Today's my happy day in the crypto market because I make over $3,801 profit just today alone. This is today trade history about $3,801 and a total of $29,500 in 7 trading days. And on 30 days, we make a total of $53,000 in 30 days. Let's kindly check the trading volume. This is the trading volume for 30 days, a total trade volume of about 27 million trading volume in 7 days. And let's see all the pairs the bot have been trading. This is the first pair. It makes on TRX, it's make over $8,700 on one pair alone. Over in I think this is all the pair is trading for the past 30 days. These are all the paid trade for the past 30 days. And on Ton it makes over $6,000. Doge it make over $13,000. This is how you have been trading. If we check here, it opens over 3,628 open positions with over 90% win rate. This is the crazy part of this. And these are all the profit it makes from long positions. Yeah, these are all the profit it makes from long position, and on short position it makes over $25,000. And these are all the pairs. These are all the pairs you have been trading. This particular one, it just closed a few hours ago, $25, and this is lost, $15 loss. This other one about $198 profit, $200 profit over the second one again, $300 profit. If you look closely here, you're going to see how tiny the loss amount is. You can imagine this. You can see how higher you can see the loss amount. And if you come over to the Telegram bot here, this is the Telegram bot. Yeah, that everything is done. Let's see all the closed positions, and some of these are all the running positions that I see running right now. They have not yet closed. You can see this Ton and Doge, USDT. These are all and these are some of the few positions just closed few minutes ago. Tiny profit. Sometimes it closes out some tiny profit, but at the end of the day it leave with heavy profit, and sometimes it closed up to $200, $300. This particular one is closed how much profit? It closed on 0.30 cents, right? Every minute. These are all the running positions. With the result I've been seeing for the past 30 days and for the past 60 days, I can tell you boldly, this is one of the best crypto robots that make it certain for us to, to be sure of making sure profit from the crypto market every day, and with no possibility of risking our account or blowing our account. Imagine making over 3K in one day. If you do calculation clear, you notice we started this account with just $1,000. Imagine moving from from 1K to over $53,000 in 1 month. The best part of this is I'm fully ready to help anybody that is interested to trade with us. If you like the result and you want to join us, you want to trade with us, I will be more than happy to help. Kindly check the video description. You're going to see my WhatsApp number. Reach out to me. At the same time, join our Telegram group chat. We also teach some of our members that don't maybe have enough funds for crypto trading board, how to trade manual. We have one of the best strategy we have been using to make consistent profit on Mexi. And if you want to learn, kindly check this video here. We explain everything in details. For people with busy schedule, this is one of the best robots we have been using, which also make it possible for our users to enjoy consistent profit every day. I will be more than happy to help. Kindly reach out to me. At the same time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you like what I do, drop a comment right now, and I'm hoping to see you making money with us, and at the same time hoping to see you on my next video. Yeah, bye for now.